Welcome to a new video of the Parts channel. Well, I'm going to make a short video answering a question that you have left me in relation to a video that I have made about wheel bearings. Well, I'll leave you the link in case you haven't. Apparently somebody says you have a Renault Megane, and the left bearing, the left wheel, has been sounding for a few weeks and question, how many kilometers can last before breaking? See, there, I would not worry me so much. The kilometers that it can last, I would worry about changing it as soon as possible. Look. There you see a wheel, it is turning. The problem that it is having right now with that vehicle, is that bearing is producing excessive heat inside the hub. That excessive heat, the first thing it is going to do is damage the ABS sensor. We have already had quite a few cases of these and well, even some sensors that were broken. The most serious problem is that it circulates in the road. It expands in such a way because of the temperature it has, that it blocks the hub. Of course, when blocking it the wheel will lock up. Imagine that you are going on the highway at a certain speed or taking a curve or a thousand things and nothing good. Okay, as soon as you see that it starts to sound, change it as soon as possible, because this, I already said, that can lead to a very serious accident. Be careful with these things. Well, here you have this short video. If you has been helpful, because do not forget to give a like and subscribe to the channel.